Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. I wanted to do kind of a cloisonne effect with the flowers, and then the pearl metallic paints like an artist palette. And I saw this somewhere on the internet and thought, I want to do this. I thought it was such a cool idea. So I hope you enjoyed watching it. And I also, besides the golden paints, I used the Deco Art, just metallic and glorious gold with a little bit of 24 karat gold mixed in, and a needle tip attachment which you can screw onto any craft bottle of paint. And then for the gold edges on the wooden palette, I have metallic gold edges. I used the Peonies for artist marker, and this is the jumbo, the biggest one they've got, jumbo. And that's oil based. So I'll let this dry thoroughly, probably for a few days, because these will take a while to dry. And then I will spray varnish it probably. I thought about putting resin on it, but I don't think I am. I think I'm just going to spray varnish it. And then I will attach probably a gold ribbon that will come up from the top, and will be a little bow at the top, and you can hang it from the gold ribbon. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something just by watching. And I will see you on the next video. Love you all. Bye-bye.